Tired of drowning in manual tasks? I'm about to show you how to create automated workflows in Asana that will transform chaos into streamlined productivity. First, select the project where you want to implement automation. Click on the Customize button located at the top right corner of your project view. This opens the project settings where you can access the Rules section. Now, navigate to the Rules tab. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Add Rule button to create a new automated workflow. Asana offers a range of pre-built templates, but for this tutorial, let's start with a custom rule. You'll be prompted to define a trigger. A trigger is an event that initiates the rule. For example, let's choose task is moved to a section. This means the rule will activate when a task is moved into a specific column. Next, select the specific section that will trigger the rule, such as moving a task to the completed section. Now, define the action you want Asana to perform when the trigger occurs. Let's choose Mark Task as complete. You can also add multiple actions to a single rule. For instance, let's add another action to automatically assign the task to the project manager when it's moved to the completed section. For review, you can choose the Assign Task action and then select the project manager from the menu. And that's it. Now, whenever a task is moved to the completed section, it will automatically be marked as complete and assigned to the project manager. You can further customize rules to integrate with other apps like Slack or Google Drive for even greater automation. Start automating your Asana workflows today. Save time and boost productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Asana tips.